After 60, a man's body changes in ways he never expected. Not suddenly, not all at once, but quietly, over time. You may notice the energy fades faster, the drive feels distant, and in moments that once brought closeness and intimacy, something feels missing. Doctors call it vascular aging. It means the blood vessels that once flowed freely become tighter, stiffer, less responsive. And without proper blood flow, physical intimacy becomes more difficult. Not because you have changed emotionally, but because your body's ability has shifted. But here's something rarely talked about. A simple ingredient sitting in your kitchen cabinet, baking soda, may help. Not as a cure, but as a small, natural support for circulation. Let us explore this with science and safety in mind. According to a 2018 study by the Medical College of Georgia at Augusta University, baking soda, when taken in small, controlled amounts, was shown to reduce inflammation in the body and support healthy blood vessel function. Now, how does that connect to men's intimacy? Healthy circulation is key to performance, and baking soda helps balance acid levels in the blood, allowing vessels to expand more easily. This can improve oxygen flow, reduce stiffness, and make blood delivery to intimate areas more effective. But here's the most important part: how you take it matters. Dr. David Williams, a natural medicine researcher, once wrote, "Baking soda is not a magic bullet, but when used correctly, it supports a body that wants to heal itself." So here's how many functional medicine doctors suggest trying it safely. Take 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda mixed into half a glass of water, about 4 to 6 ounces. Do this once per day, ideally on an empty stomach in the morning or 2 hours after your last meal at night. Do not exceed this amount, and never take it long-term without your doctor's supervision, because this is not about shortcuts. This is about understanding how even a small change, like balancing your body's pH, may restore part of what you thought you lost. Some men combine this with light walking, magnesium-rich foods like almonds, and gentle yoga to improve blood flow overall. And if intimacy has become difficult, talk with your partner. Shame thrives in silence. Healing begins with honesty. You are not broken, you are aging, and that does not mean less of a man. It means a man who deserves more support, not less. If this touched something inside you, if you feel like you are facing these changes alone, you are not. Subscribe to Elderly Health Tips for more doctor-backed, honest guidance made for men like you. Your health, your confidence, your connection, it is not gone. It is waiting to be rebuilt.